Welcome to APC Solution. Today we're going to have an unboxing video of the Gigabyte Aero 15 featuring the i7-10750H and the GeForce RTX 2070 Max-Q. Without further ado, let's dive on in. Alright, nice branding on it. We got the factory seal, which is peelable. Alright. And then that opens up like that. There we go. Got phone. Got the nice, that's the laptop. The crown jewel of this packaging. What else we have in here? Cardboard. Oh. I'm gonna go with a guess and say this is probably our power brick. There's our power brick. And this must be paperwork. Got one more thing over here on this side. That's the cord for the power brick. So what do we have here? 230 watt. Beefy. That's nothing really special. What do we have in this folder? This little package. Okay. Oh, we get some thermal pad. If you go to add another SSD into this, it does come with a 512 NVMe solid state hard drive already installed. Might take a peek at that. Quick start guide. Tells you how to plug it in. Some of the features of it. Big vents it looks like on this model. And then the Gigabyte Aero's warranty card. Okay. Let's get to the laptop though. That's why you're here. Alright. So we've got a very nice jet black brushed aluminum look on top. You can see that. Similar to the previous models. A little bit different though. We have our HDMI mini display, USB 3, Ethernet, headphone, microphone jack, 2 more USB 3, Thunderbolt, full-size SD card, and your power. And then we've got lots of big vents to cool off that processor and GPU. You get the Aero branding on the back. This one's got Aero on top. Some of the previous models actually said Gigabyte. It looks like that might light up as well. Alright, so let's get this open up. That opens nice and smooth. Let's see, we've got our Core i7, GeForce RTX Studio, made in Taiwan, Gigabyte Aero 15, Wi-Fi 6, Microsoft Azure AI, Thunderbolt 3, SSD reader, up to 3 4K display outputs, and CNC aluminum chassis. I'm not sure if you'll be able to read that because they chose a very horrible color font on that decal. Got our webcam up here with a privacy shield as well. Let's get this turned on. We got a fingerprint reader over here in the top left corner of the touchpad. Reasonably large touchpad as well. And you can see this top row, as we suspected at the beginning of the video, those secondary functions, even on these other keys, they don't illuminate. Only your numbers do on the numpad, the arrows, the home, none of that does. It's a little disappointing if you plan on using this in low light settings. So as you can see, Aero logo lights up, and this little nameplate down at the bottom has a couple little lights under it as well, just for some more aesthetic appeal. Thanks for watching. That's all we have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, and don't forget to get subscribed for future content. Have a blessed day.